Hey everyone, we're going to make a delicious keto custard pie with a strawberry compote on top. Start with some melted butter, that's half a stick there, otherwise known as a quarter cup, 1.5 cups almond flour, a little bit of salt, 2 tablespoons powdered Swerve, and we're making the crust right now, and half a teaspoon vanilla extract. It's going to look like wet sand, and you're going to press it using wet hands into your pie tin, your pie glass, and stick it in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. For the custard, you're going to heat up some heavy whipping cream on the stove on medium-low. That's 1 cup, a little bit of salt. In a separate bowl, have 2 eggs, half cup powdered Swerve, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and you can start whisking it. And your cream is still on the stove. See how it's just about to boil. We see a skin on top. It's time to turn the heat off and slowly pour it into our eggs while whisking all the time, because we don't want our eggs to curdle and we don't want our heavy whipping cream to boil. We just want it to almost boil. And I'm adding 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Our crust is done. Let it cool completely. Now for the strawberry compote, cut up strawberries into at least quarters. Throw them in a pot. Put in a couple tablespoons of stevia and 1 tablespoon lemon juice. And that's roughly 2 cups strawberries there. Put it on the stove on a low heat. And you want to heat it for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. And you can add vanilla towards the end. I added half a teaspoon vanilla. And pouring our custard into our crust. And there we can turn off the heat. Be very careful putting that into the oven. It's very liquidy, so you don't want to spill anything. Put in the oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes. And it takes about 10 minutes for the strawberries to get done. You can spread them evenly on top. It's firm enough where it will hold it. So that's all spread out evenly so everyone gets a bite of strawberry in every bite. Let it cool completely to room temperature, then stick it in the fridge for 2 hours, and then you're done.